the bookshelf has come out very nice. I like the fact that the space is utilized. Different requirements in the sense I have slightly bigger bags for sports. Also, I asked for an extension at the last minute.
Yes, ज़्यादा clutter भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
So that was my main requirement.
How about the balcony looks? So overall, are you happy with your bedroom?
One thing is that you all are always open. I mean, we are very happy.
सो आज हम लोग इधर आए हैं गोदरेज एवेन्यूज़ में और सागर सर का बेडरूम हमने डिज़ाइन किया है. लेट्स सी सर को ही पूछते हैं कि कैसा उनको लगा. सर ओवरऑल आपको बेडरूम कैसा लग रहा है?
Yeah, it's very nice. I wanted something which is not very full and not very congested.
Yes.
So this is very nice and the contrast is also looking
very good.
Very
okay.
nice, yeah.
Sir, how about the आपके पास ज़्यादा बुक्स हैं, like you have so many books and you had a requirement of a huge study unit.
Correct.
And also you wanted some space to utilize as a wardrobe where you don't want to reduce the space as well, but you want the wardrobe to be fulfilled.
Correct.
At purpose.
I think the bookshelf has come out very nice, as you can see.
Yes, of course.
And also I like the fact that the space is utilized
very well
in the sense that I have a lot of space in between.
Correct.
I usually don't like congested
yeah.
spaces.
ज़्यादा clutter भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
So that was my main requirement.
Okay, sir, can you just walk in here and then we have used fluted glass.
Yeah.
And then this is the inside. You feel comfortable, sir?
Yes. This is very. I mean, I can reach anywhere. I can place things accordingly where I want them to. And also, I had different requirements in the sense I have slightly bigger bags for sports at all.
Correct.
I get.
You play sports, so you wanted that requirement, so we did
Correct.
that. And also, you can once you close this, I mean, you have that privacy area also where you can dress up.
Yes.
And then once we open it, and you have the bedroom area totally separate.
Correct.
So this fulfill the purpose कि आपको wardrobe एकदम अलग हो गया.
Yes.
आपका bedroom space bedroom हो गया कि वहाँ आपको कपड़े के लिए कुछ भी आपको यहाँ वहाँ ओपन करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है.
Exactly.
अगर ये क्लोज कर देंगे तो that's it.
Yeah.
मतलब your room only looks like a bedroom.
Correct.
Like a studio, kind of a thing.
Yeah.
And also we have here the study unit at which you wanted.
Yeah. Also, I asked for an extension at the last minute.
Yes, last minute.
That was provided, which is very nice.
So how about the balcony look, sir? What do you feel about the balcony?
Yeah, so again, this is nice. I wanted something peaceful on the balcony side. So it's like
looks really nice.
Very peaceful and where I can just sit and relax.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So overall, are you happy with your
absolutely.
bedroom? Let me just ask about the bedroom. So
Absolutely.
Any keynotes that you want to say about us working with us? Yeah.
One thing is that you all are always open to new ideas and also I think we were discussing that the attention to detail, like everything till it's not done properly. You yourself, you and Imran, both of you really pay attention to the minute details. Correct. And it's not like we have to point out everything.
Correct.
So that's like we were very impressed.
So still अभी delivery नहीं दिया है, so we still have finishings to be done. Later we'll have another video with you once delivered. And
absolutely.
so till now ongoing जो भी process था, how do you feel that? How is it?
It's been very good. Yeah.
It's been very good. Yeah. Only
absolutely.
good.
I mean, okay. It's been. I mean, I would definitely refer you to my friends or whoever is looking. So,
Yes.
And I usually don't even refer a lot. So
Correct.
Maybe. I mean, we are very happy.
Very happy. It's great. I'm happy working with you guys because I must say this. Whenever we used to give you some suggestions, so you were always open. You and ma'am was really open for that, and you actually went through some of our decisions that कि नहीं आप अच्छा जानते हो. Anyways, you used to say this to me like नहीं आप better जानते हो आप suggest करो.
Right. Yeah.
You know, and whenever we say something, you never said कि no. You always said let's do it.
Yeah. I think the way we worked was that we had our ideas like ऐसा room चाहिए, but you're the expert, so you suggest.
Thank you,
and if we had some recommendations, of course, and you were open to those.
Yes, sir, of course. अभी एक रूम से एक फ्लैट से स्टार्ट किया था हमने, एक और मिल गया ऑलरेडी.
Exactly.
So very happy for that. So sir, एक और बात important note. Are you how do you feel about the designs that we provided?
I think the 3D frames and all.
Exactly. Are we matching the design and the reality?
Yes. Yeah, you are matching. Yeah, usually that doesn't happen. It happened to us in the past, but no, they were matching.
They were matching. Design जैसा है, reality में ऐसा है.
Correct.
Okay, number one. Number two, how was the team, my team, workers and all?
They are very good. They would ensure that they are on time, and they would even clean up at the time of leaving, and they followed the timings like 2 to 4. So I think, and they are very flexible in the sense we give them some small tasks, they would always be up to it.
Okay, so how about the timeline, sir? जब भी अभी बहुत सारी चीज़ क्या हुआ, हमने स्टार्ट किया था सिर्फ वेरी स्मॉल पार्ट से, ये जाके बहुत लंबा स्ट्रेच हुआ. दैट वी आर हैप्पी फॉर दैट. सो हाउ डू यू फील, हमने कैसे मैच किया, कितना फास्टली हमने अटेंशन टू डिटेल हो गया या डिलीवरी हो गया या कुछ भी करने के लिए, हाउ आर वी, लाइक आर वी सो enthusiastic? Sure, obviously. So we love to do like this. So how do you feel about that experience?
Again, because we changed a lot of things from time to time, but you were like, I think things still progress. I think this house, we could make a lot of changes and still be able to finish those off. And timeline wise, I would not say it's too bad, because we are doing 2 homes.
Correct.
And within 2.5 months, realistically, that's when we started.
Correct.
So I think that's great.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm looking forward for more opportunities from you.
Yeah, absolutely.
And also WTBI India is for that, not just for interiors, also for construction, renovation, industry setup, anything, anywhere, we are there. Right. Even we'll do your event if you would like to do us.
Okay. Absolutely. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So nice working with you.
Yeah, nice.
And continue the relationship.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.